This is the General Electric 8201-401 9-volt smoke detector, which replaced the 101s, the bigger units in the late 70s, early 80s. Still runs on an alkaline battery. It's a little bit more compact than the other units you're used to seeing with the test button in the center that were perfectly square. This one's built a little bit differently than the other ones. Right here you have your ionization chamber with the red test button. You have a trumpet piezo horn, and below that you have your 9-volt alkaline battery. And this one makes a slightly different sound, almost like a chirping bird. Pretty loud, it'll get your attention.